Welcome back to our channel. The legend returns. Meet the 2025 Aston Martin Vanquish, a car that doesn't just drive, but commands the road. This isn't just a supercar, it's a rolling piece of art, blending breathtaking performance with British elegance in a way only Aston Martin can. Let's start with the heart of the beast, a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, co-developed with Mercedes-AMG, delivering a staggering 700 horsepower. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission and rear-wheel drive, the Vanquish rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.2 seconds. And with a top speed of 200+ miles per hour, this car doesn't just hint at performance, it defines it. On the outside, the design is pure Aston Martin sophistication. Aerodynamic sculpting, a sleek low-slung body, and aggressive lines make it both visually stunning and performance-enhancing. The carbon fiber accents and bold front fascia give it a futuristic, commanding presence that's impossible to ignore. Inside, the Vanquish delivers a level of luxury that only Aston Martin can achieve. The handcrafted interior features ultra-premium leather, real metal trim, and carbon fiber detailing, a driver's cockpit designed for both comfort and control. The seats are race-inspired but wrapped in comfort, making even the longest drives feel like pure bliss. Tech-wise, the 2025 Vanquish is no slouch either. A fully digital instrument cluster, a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and an optional Bowers & Wilkins sound system ensure you're always connected and entertained, if you can hear the music over the growl of that V8 engine, that is. Safety features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system make sure you're secure while enjoying all that power under the hood. Starting at around $300,000, the 2025 Aston Martin Vanquish isn't just a car, it's an experience, a statement, and a masterpiece of automotive engineering. Thanks for watching.